Olá and welcome to Daily Portuguese.
This is podcast about Portuguese language and Portuguese culture.
Today I feel trapped. Dulcidio didn't want to share what are we talking about.
I know. It's not trapped, it's surprised. You don't always need to know what's going to happen.
I do.
Not today. Not today. Today you don't need to know what's going to happen. But today, we are going to talk about something that I never thought it would be needed. But after some class, I was like, oh, here's a good subject for an episode, which is colors.
Ooh.
And I never thought about this.
Yes, because looks like only Portuguese has this problem.
No, we don't have. People that learn Portuguese have this problem.
Yes, because
We don't have problem
why
with
to
this.
make colors complicated? Come on.
The colors are not complicated. Until last week, I never thought this was a problem. Until someone made questions like, oh, wow, that's a good question. Which is, colors have gender and they have number, like a singular, plural. And it never crossed my mind that this could be a problem. Because, well, yes. Because, yes, it never crossed my mind. I thought this, people just do life and they live like this. So, today we're going to talk only about 10 colors. The basic, not the basic, the basic colors. We're not going for the peach and salmon and all those other colors. We are going to stay on just the,
Kids colors.
yes, you buy a package of 10 colors, those are the ones. So, Maria, can you start by saying what are the colors in Portuguese? I'm counting them. 10.
Azul. Blue. Red. Vermelho. Yellow. Amarelo. Green. Verde. Cor de laranja. Orange. Cor da rosa. Pink.
Sim.
Branco. White. Black. Preto. Cinzento. Gray. And the last one, brown. Castanho.
Castanho. Okay. So, we're going to divide this
I
in
passed the 5-year-old test.
yes. Probably our kids will do that faster. But not.
Hey,
It's not a competition.
they are native speakers of Portuguese.
Okay, don't be so defensive about it. So let's divide this in 3 groups. So there are groups that have masculine, feminine, singular, plural. There are groups that only have singular, plural, and there's groups that has everything and nothing. So it means that color can be singular, plural, masculine, feminine. Okay. Okay.
No, that you just use one form. You don't.
Yes, and represents everything. So I'm going to say by the order that I'm looking at, because I have here some cheat sheet, just to not forget anything. And let's start with branco. So branco, we have branco, branca, brancos, brancas, which means that it can be o carro branco, the white car, a casa branca, the white house. Os carros brancos, the white cars, and as casas brancas, the white houses. Okay? Preto, preta, pretos, pretas. I will make, in the end of the video, there will be like a similar board with all the colors. Vermelho, vermelha, vermelhos, vermelhas. Castanho, castanha, castanhos, castanhas. Cinzento, cinzenta, cinzentos, cinzentas. Amarelo, amarela, amarelos, amarelas. Okay? And this is the 6 colors that have everything. Gender, singular and plural. And you have to pay attention when you talk about something that it can have masculine, feminine, singular and plural. Okay? Now, let's go to the colors that don't have gender. Just singular and plural. A lot of people know this one, verde, because a lot of people, when I talk about Portugal, the first thing they say is like vinho verde, so the green wine. And so we have verde or verdes, azul or azuis. Another thing that is interesting, colors are also adjectives, work as an adjective. And most of the adjectives, I'm going to say most because I might be not remembering everything, but when it finishes on a E, it goes for both genders. So assuming that there are only two genders, masculine and feminine,
Well, in Portuguese, you don't even have it.
no, we don't have it.
So there is only he and she.
He or she, yes. The objects have gender.
Feminine and masculine, yes.
Yes, the objects have gender. Like the computer is masculine, the window is feminine, the chair feminine, and so on and so on. And you know what's the funny thing about that everything has gender? The dress, the woman's dress, it's masculine. O vestido. But the skirt, a saia, feminine. So if you're trying to find the logic about this, forget about it. Moving forward, when it finishes in a lot of the adjectives finish in a are usually for both genders. So you can say ele é inteligente e ela é inteligente. So it goes male and female. Okay? So verde, verdes, azul, azuis. And let's go to the last two, because today we decided that we are not going to massacre you with a half an hour episode. Just something like quick knowledge. Cor de laranja and cor de rosa. Here, there's no singular, plural, masculine, or there is in terms of what you're talking about, but this never changes. So you can say a camisola cor de laranja, so the orange sweater, or as camisolas cor de laranja, the orange sweaters. Or o balão cor de rosa, the pink balloon, or os balões cor de rosa.
I always like this, not colors, but because the direct translation is color of the rose,
yes.
color of the orange. And for me, it's always like this poetic and cute way of talking about stuff. Yeah, so that's why it's easy to remember that with this you don't use, because you say shirt.
I thought
complicated is
something
that?
smart was going to come, and then it's like shirt. And then, what? Pink shirt?
Yes, I'm trying to make it say it in correct English, like shirt of the color of the rose. Yes.
Yes. But incorrect, isn't it the color of the rose shirt? Don't you put the adjective first in English, the pink shirt?
Yes, but this is not adjective, because
okay.
here you have the color is the noun. So
yeah, we are very
anyway,
poetic.
No, like color of the wind.
The color.
You know?
Yes. It's like the. I remember in the university, some person asked, "What color is that?" and the teacher answered him, "It's the color of the wind going against the air." So something similar. No, about
but
the
also
colors.
it happens that people don't use the chord.
Exactly, that's what I was going to
they
explain.
just use
Laranja or rosa. Like, uma camisa rosa. And we understand that we are not talking about roses, but pink.
Yeah, but it's not like that cor de rosa is the official way, and no one ever uses that. Actually, people use it on a daily basis. Cor de rosa,
it's the
cor
same
de
as the
laranja.
days of the week. A lot of people saying segunda-feira, terça-feira. And when we talk on our daily conversation, we just say segunda, terça, and so on. We don't go and like feiras.
No,
like,
some people say it this way, some people say the other. It's not like no one ever uses the official way.
Exactly. Do you have any question about this?
No.
Let's leave the people alone for today. After a few long episodes today, they have a short one.
Yeah.
Okay.
One question. What
Okay.
is the purple?
Ooh. You want to start that argument?
I know this is very hard color. Like there are fights online about that.
We have two colors, and we have roxo, which is purple, and we have violeta, which is not
the violet.
Same color. Violeta is purple, and violet is different color. I've noticed that I
for me,
see
yes.
colors a bit different than most of people. So roxo, that's purple. But
Okay.
roxo, roxa, roxos, roxas.
Okay.
Okay? Violeta, violetas. So just singular and plural.
Okay.
Okay? So that's it for today. Oh,
Okay.
Até à próxima.
Ciao.